Good morning, CDT day 48, and we camped out in this park last night. Cowboy camped, my first time ever cowboy camping, and it was excellent. We had a beautiful night sky, tons of stars, but also when we woke up this morning, we found this incredible view of some mountains out there. Look at that. Bam! Pagosa Springs is a very pretty place, and so that's nice. But there's like hiking trails around here, and we saw some people hiking like right by us earlier, and I was like, maybe we should get up. So we are packing up now and headed out, and we're gonna go back down to town down there and get some breakfast and try to get some other good stuff like that and head on. Here's another little overlook of the town. Lots of hot springs here, so they have a lot of like 5-star lodges and hotels and stuff. Way too expensive for me, and but it makes it a little more touristy, a little more upscale, I guess. This is where we soaked last night. This is called the quote-unquote hippy dippy hot springs because there is a pipe that delivers some pretty hot water around 100 degrees out of these fancy resort places with spas, so you can come here for free, just chilling under the bridge by the river and enjoy soaking in some hot water. These people have kind of separated from the cold river. Right now the river level is pretty high, so it's probably freezing in there right now, but last night it was a bit lower, so there was an actual separation between hot and cold. It was a pretty decent time. Enjoyed it. Cool.
Take your video.
I am. Breakfast time. Look at the hot spring fountain. That's pretty cool, actually. It smells a lot like sulfur, though. Well, we are now over top of the river in this very beautiful part of town. We're gonna go to this restaurant called Tequila's and have some drinks and some food, because I love food. Why spend all your time hiking when you could just be chilling having some margaritas during casual Colorado? What's up, guys and gals? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. How y'all doing this evening? Oh, 5. Okay. All right, we decided to leave Pagosa Springs to make some mileage today. Let me change it. And so we decided to go to South Fork, which is the next town. It was only about a 7-mile road walk. We're going to get that done just to put some mileage on the day and to keep going forward. And so we stopped spending so much money in Pagosa Springs. So that is a road walk along a somewhat busy highway. Just made it into South Fork, and so far there's a lot of things that are closed down and stuff like that, but it's a really beautiful town. It's nestled in a really cool spot. There's just not much going on. So we are learning that there is nowhere to camp or really stay for cheap around here, and we're really trying to save some money because we spent a lot in Pagosa Springs and Platoro and stuff like that. So we are going to camp in the field behind the gas station. How a hiker trash is that? But anyways, yeah, the day's almost over and we're really tired, so we are just going to set up camp and go to bed. So that is the end of day 48 on the CDT. About 7 miles of road walking into South Fork and some time spent in Pagosa Springs. Tomorrow we will head to Creed. It's about 23 miles on the road, and that should be completely doable, and the weather's looking pretty good as well. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.